Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to clone a Trello board. It's a useful trick that will save you time, especially if you frequently use similar board structures for your projects. First things first, go to your chosen Trello board. The reason we do this is to ensure that we're cloning the correct board. This is vital if you have multiple boards for various projects. Next up, find and click on the Show Menu button on the top right corner of your screen. This helps us because it opens up additional options for managing our Trello board. Now that we've done that, look for the More option in the drop-down menu and click on it. This will lead us to another set of options where we can find the Copy Board feature. This is where the magic happens. Once there, click on the Copy Board feature. A new window will appear, prompting you to name your new board and choose its theme and visibility. You can keep the original details or modify them as you prefer. The reason we do this is to differentiate the clone board from the original one. Finally, click on Create, and there you have it, your clone Trello board. This step is important as it finalizes the process and creates the exact replica of your chosen Trello board. So that's how you clone a Trello board. It's a simple process, but one that can make your project management a lot more efficient. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.